Okay, so let's say that you're going to represent yourself in a family courts and you want someone to help you, a McKenzie friend, someone like me. How do you choose the right person? Because you know what? McKenzie friends are unregulated. They don't need to be qualified or insured either. It's really important that you get the right person to help you because they can help you make or break your case. There are a lot of McKenzie friends out there, the good, the bad, the ugly, ranging from anything from solicitors who are no longer working as solicitors but know the law inside out, all the way through to someone that's just done their own case and they just want to help people out. How do you choose a good one? I've got 5 things you need to bear in mind before you choose someone to help you in court and act as a McKenzie friend. The first one is, how visible are they? Can you find them on social media? Have they got a website? Have they got any adverts? Or have they just got a blank Facebook page with a mobile number on it? Is it a case that their email address is something like topmckenziefriend@gmail.com? If they have got a website, are you unable to find anything like a name, company address, company registration number, that sort of stuff? You know what? It's really important to know that you can get hold of people if you have to. The second one is online reviews. Google reviews are pretty good because they can't be faked. You need a Gmail address. Of course, it means that trolls that have never used a service can give negative reviews as well. But check out the Google reviews of the people that are going to help you in your court case. Read through them. Understand, like I say, you might get a few bad ones. Your ex is probably not going to give your McKenzie friend a particularly good review if they find them. Why do you think solicitors tend to not have review pages? The next one is, are they full or part-time? There are a lot of part-time McKenzie friends out there. They're people that, I don't know, either they don't charge or they charge a low rate or they can't make a living out of it. So, of course, they're going to have to do something to pay the bills. It might be that they are only able to help you evenings. It might be they can only help you with paperwork. It might be they've only got limited amounts of holiday. If you need an urgent response, and sometimes things are urgent, hey, I've had people contact me because the police are banging on the door and on a couple of occasions they're actually sitting in a cell. If that's the case, if your McKenzie friend is only available Monday to Wednesday from 7 to 9 p.m. and they can't help you at hearings, bear that in mind. It's something you're going to have to factor in. The next one is, are they part of an organisation with an agenda? So it could be men's rights activists, it could be women's rights, it could be shared parenting charities, it could be domestic abuse charities, it could be parental alienation charities. Now, I'm not saying these guys are bad, but they have got an agenda. They might see you as, grist for the mill. They might see you as someone else who they can enlist to prove the point, to drive their agenda. You're not there for that. You're there for your kids. If you really want to be part of an organisation that changes the family law system or changes laws on domestic violence, go ahead and do it. But I would say give your full bandwidth to your own case first and focus on that, nothing else. The last part is a really obvious one. Do you trust them? You need to gel with people. This is a big part of your life. It's your kids. It's your finances. You need to trust the person that's helping you. If you don't, then it's going to damage your chances because you're going to be second guessing yourself. You're going to be fighting with them. You're not going to be getting as much bang for your buck as you could be. Gel with them, trust. Do your research. Like I say, there is a lot of McKenzie friends out there, and I'm a passionate advocate of people representing themselves. There are some McKenzie friends that I would absolutely recommend. Hey, when I went for the family courts, I used a McKenzie friend. That's how I got into this game. There are others that are absolutely appalling, and they might be just about good enough to make you a cup of tea and hand you a hanky if you need one. I hope this helps.